Now, I suspect a lot of you will know this feature already, but your iPhone has built-in dictation. So any time that you're typing and the little keyboard comes up from the bottom, you can talk to it instead of typing in with your thumbs and fingers. So here's how it works. See the keyboard at the bottom? Bottom right corner, there's an icon that's supposed to look like an old school radio microphone. If I tap on that icon, it should be listening now to everything that I say. It's not perfect, and it's particularly bad if you have a strong accent of any kind, but if you speak fairly clearly, it's generally okay. You can also do punctuation, full stop, new paragraph. Look at this, exclamation mark. Does it work? Question mark. Yeah, it seems like on the whole it's fairly good. So I use this when I'm in a rush. If I've got to do a long text message perhaps to somebody, and I'm in a rush, I'll often dictate it rather than typing it out. Sometimes get funny looks in public, but you know what? You shouldn't care what people think. Enjoy dictating to your phone and have a great day.